guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, it is your girl Nikki. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Again, if you don't know who I am and you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn your post notifications on so you're notified anytime I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and make sure you come back for another video. Alright, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. You guys, my head is pounding so bad. I'm not feeling the greatest right now, but I said I'm not slacking. I'm not gonna say tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and get this video filmed and edited and uploaded tonight because it is an upload night for me. So my upload days are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, for those of you that didn't know, or you haven't kind of caught on to the routine of an upload. But I've been scatterbrained, so you couldn't catch up. I've been all over the place, but I'm trying to get back into a consistent schedule. So those are days where I'm not working my second job, so it's easier for me to get some content out to you guys. But anyway, like I said, I'm not really feeling the greatest. I have a migraine. It hurts so bad. I just finished eating dinner. I really don't even feel like washing my face or doing anything to my skin, but gotta keep pushing through, cannot get lazy. So yeah, y'all just bear with me if it seems like I'm talking a little bit low. I'm gonna try to get my normal energy back, but y'all, it is so hard right now, so hard. But yeah, so anywho, that's not what you came for. You didn't come here for any excuses. You came here for the video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Derma Rolling video at home. So I've been doing this to my skin. I've actually been doing this for a couple months now, and I have noticed a difference in my skin. I haven't been as consistent as I would like to be. I've been trying to do it at least 1 to 3 times a week. I've really been doing it kind of like once a week, or I do like once every other week, but I'm trying to get more consistent with it because it does absolutely make a difference in your skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna share with you guys how I do it and the steps that I take. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is my Derma roller. I have no idea what brand this is. I actually purchased this from Five and Below. I don't have like the packaging with like the brand name or anything like that. I'm sorry, I threw it away when I first bought it because I didn't know if I was gonna be doing a video on this, but I have been kind of doing research on it. For those of you that don't know, Derma Rolling really helps and it's beneficial to people who suffer from acne, scarring, and hyperpigmentation. So any type of dark spots, this will definitely help and be instrumental and beneficial to incorporate into your skincare routine to really help clear up those areas if those are your problem areas. Now, you can see that my skin is not perfect at all, and that is definitely an area that I struggle in, trying to clear up my dark marks because I do have acne scarring, because I have a horrible habit of picking my pimples, and I pick them. It's oddly satisfying to me. I don't understand. I mean, call me weird. Just saying. So this is my Derma roller here. I actually really love this. It comes in this nice, cute acrylic case. It's so simple, but it's cute. And I just take the top off, and it sits in there just like this. And then I take it out for when I get ready to use it. And then when I'm done, I clean it, then I put it back inside, put the top on, bam, and put it away. Now, the first tip I will tell you is I use alcohol. You should use alcohol if you have a Derma roller, or if you're interested in getting one of these. Please make sure you are cleaning it with alcohol. Now mine is already clean. I cleaned it before I started the video because I didn't want this video to be too tedious and too long. But please make sure you're cleaning it with alcohol, the clear alcohol, not the wintergreen rubber alcohol, the clear alcohol that you can't find in stores nowadays. But yeah, so, and that's another reason why I don't do this talk. I'm trying to preserve my alcohol, like, y'all. It's tough out here, you know. Alcohol is hard to come by, so I do clean it. I'll saturate it in alcohol and clean it up really good just to kill any germs, any bacteria, make sure, you know, it's safe to use on my skin, so all of that good stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to tell you guys the steps that I'm going to be taking as I go along. This video is going to be a talk through, but we're going to go ahead and get into it because I know you guys don't want to hear me rambling throughout the whole video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cleanse my face. I took a shower and I kind of just like took a hot rag and put it on my face, but I haven't really cleansed my skin yet. So the cleanser that I'm going to be using today is this xoxoxoxo. This is the Classic Clean. It's the original one. I'm going to be using this to cleanse my skin. As you guys know, I am obsessed with the Aveeno cleanser. Like, that is absolutely my favorite cleanser. So I'm out of it and I just have this xoxoxoxo cleanser, so I'm going to use this. So what I've been doing here lately, versus like rinsing my skin, I'm going to take this hot, I mean, it's not really hot, it's warm, and I'm just going to kind of go over my face with this damp rag. This is how I've been loving to like clean my skin. I don't know, I just don't like rinsing anymore. And then I'm going to go in with that cleanser and I'm going to really just kind of cleanse my skin and go in. And I'm going to wet my hands a little bit as well, just so it doesn't feel like the cleanser is going on like super dry skin. So just gonna go in and cleanse. And I love this xoxoxoxo cleanser because it makes my skin feel super moisturized and hydrated. It doesn't dry it out. Like, I love this product so much. It doesn't irritate. Like, if a little bit kind of gets in my eyes, it doesn't really irritate it. It just makes my skin feel nice and good. So I actually like using this one. This is kind of like my backup cleanser, or I'll use that cleanser when like I wear a lot of makeup. But yeah, I'll go and use this one. I've been using it in combination with my Aveeno cleanser. I just haven't done a video with me using the xoxoxoxo, but like when I say I use it, I use it. Like, what these kids say nowadays, no cap. I'm just gonna go in with the rag again and really make sure that I have no more cleanser on my face. So, and now my face feels nice and clean. And again, it doesn't feel like dry. It still feels moisturized and hydrated. All right, so now we're gonna move on to our next step. And this is when we're gonna actually get into the Derma Rolling. Now, what you don't want to do is go directly from cleansing your face using the Derma Roller and start Derma Rolling your face. You don't want to do that because a lot of times some people do use cleansers that will dry your face out, and you don't want to take the Derma Roller and just start rubbing it up against your bare skin because it can cause irritation. So you want some type of moisture there on your skin to really kind of help the Derma Roller really glide across your skin. So what I like to do first is I'm going to take this Jelly Nutrient Mist, and I love it because it has aloe and rose water in it. And I squeeze a little bit on my hand, and it has like a jelly consistency too, as well as like a mist. So that's what it's like. I'm going to go in and then apply this all over my face. Now, this product alone is not enough for me. So next I'm going to go in, I'm going to take this Hydrating Milk Serum, and it's made with avocado oil. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply this on my face as well. Then, in combination with that, I'm going to take this hydrating elixir. And this is made with rose oil. It's both by the brand Bolero. I got these products from Dollar Tree and I really like them a lot. So, you know, I use them. And they definitely hydrate my skin. And it doesn't hurt that, you know, they're only $1. So, I apply these on my skin like so. And I even go down to my neck a little bit because I do this on my neck. I make sure I get my upper lip area and in my nose as well. Alright, so now that you can see my face has, you know, a little bit of slip, shine, and everything like that. So we're ready to start with the Derma Rolling. So I like to go in straight lines, going horizontally, vertical all over my face. So I start with one area first and then I move into the rest. So my dark mark problem areas are more so on my cheek. I have a couple on my chin and then some on my forehead. So I'm gonna start with this cheek, and this is what I do. Using like a gentle hand, I just kind of go in and I take the marker. I don't know why it's squeaking today. But I go in and I really just get those areas. Okay, so that's one side. And I kind of go through a couple times. I usually pass through around like 4 times. And then I move on to my chin. And you see I'm not like kind of twisting it to go. I'm just kind of just using it as a guide to go. Because I don't want to irritate my skin. And I definitely don't want to puncture my face or have it like bleed and get irritated, because my skin will definitely get irritated if I do unnecessary things to it. So yeah. I also go on my upper lip as well, because I do have some dark marks there from pimples that I popped. And then I like to go in on my forehead. And then, as I said, I do go on my neck. I'm sorry, this thing is making so much noise tonight. I don't know why, it usually doesn't. So I'm just going in. And again, straight lines. I never want to just take it and turn it. And sometimes I'll pass through twice if need me. But yeah, just straight motion. So I'm gonna finish up with the Derma Roller and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so now that I finished Derma Rolling, I just went in and I added some more of the serum and the hydrating elixir, and then I went in and applied my tea tree oil and my moisturizer, my nighttime moisturizer, and I just pretty much finished up my skincare routine for the night. But that's pretty much it you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried this at home, and I hope you found my tips really helpful. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.